Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack or a vibrant addition to salads. They are a powerhouse of nutrition that offers a plethora of health benefits, often associated with good vision. Carrots have earned their place as a staple in many diets around the world. Let's delve into why experts recommend incorporating carrots into our meals and the extraordinary health benefits they bring. Nutritional goldmine: carrots are low in calories but rich in essential vitamins and minerals. One of the standout nutrients in carrots is beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Just one medium-sized carrot can provide over 200% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Vitamin A plays a vital role in the maintenance of the retina and helps prevent night blindness. In addition to beta-carotene, carrots are also a good source of vitamins K and C, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin K is essential for bone health, while vitamin C serves as a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from oxidative stress and enhances the immune system. Eye health benefits: carrots are famously known for promoting eye health, thanks to their high beta-carotene content. Studies have shown that diets rich in beta-carotene can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults, making carrots a vital food for maintaining good eyesight as we age. By regularly including carrots in your diet, you can support your eye health and potentially ward off vision-related issues. Heart health hero experts emphasize that carrots can also play a significant role in promoting heart health. The fiber found in carrots helps lower cholesterol levels and supports healthy digestion. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The potassium in carrots helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium, further promoting cardiovascular health. Supporting healthy skin: the benefits of carrots extend beyond internal health. They also contribute to healthy skin. The high levels of beta-carotene give carrots their vibrant orange color and can help protect the skin from sun damage. Upon consumption, beta-carotene can be converted into vitamin A, which is essential for skin health and can aid in the repair of skin tissues. Moreover, the antioxidants in carrots help combat the effects of aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and glowing. Weight management ally: for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, carrots are an excellent addition to your diet. They are low in calories while high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Snacking on carrots instead of processed snacks can help you manage your weight while providing essential nutrients. Culinary versatility: one of the best aspects of carrots is their culinary versatility. They can be enjoyed raw, cooked, juiced, or roasted, making them an easy addition to various dishes. Whether in salads, soups, stir-fries, or as a healthy snack, carrots can enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your meals. Conclusion: in conclusion, carrots are not just a colorful vegetable, but a nutritional powerhouse packed with health benefits. From supporting eye health and heart health to promoting healthy skin and aiding in weight management, carrots deserve a prominent place in your diet. So, the next time you're in the kitchen or at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some carrots. Your body will thank you for this crunchy, delicious choice.